These Maritime RobotX Challenge teams are university teams, made up mostly of students. So they've had to develop the complex hardware and software required to compete while still keeping up with all their classes and other college activities.
How do they balance their regular coursework and the intense research and development effort of the competition? How did they first get involved, and how do they manage a group with so many skills and specialties?
Let's find out all this and more as we meet the teams.
We tried to get as much done as early as possible because we realized we'd be crunched at the end. Our assignments are actually due this week and our exams start next week.
In the team, we are all kind of new to this kind of big, large-scale project, so we wanted to keep things simple, and we want to make do with whatever that we have learned in school and whatever we have played with, and try to integrate this into this bigger platform.
Our team was completely organized by students, so most of us are undergraduates from the Department of Mechanics, Electronics, and Systems Innovation.
This team is composed by 3 colleges in Kansai area. We meet once in 2 weeks. This is very far from our house, so we contact on the net.
About 2 years ago at RobotBoat, the FAU and Villanova teams kind of met at the party afterwards. And when we were talking, we realized that our specialties were both on opposite sides, and the interlap would have been really good for this competition. And that's why we decided to partner up.
Our members are excited because we are take part in the great competition in this beautiful city in Singapore. So maybe our teams are the same mind with me, so they are very, very excited.
The makeup of the team generally consists of 2 PhD students, and the rest are all undergraduate who have gone for a robotics module. Basically, we are part of the new team, and we've been piecing together as much as we can with Andre and the old-timers.
After the competition, the plan is for the vehicle to move over to Sea Grant, which is a laboratory that's attached to MIT, and they're going to use that to deploy an ROV off the bottom, a remotely operated vehicle that'll have a little camera on it and be able to go and see like coral reefs or do other sorts of research and things.
We started work as soon as we got the boat, assembling all the different components, and split it up in the way that the Maritime College part of the team did a lot of hydrodynamic testing and a lot of development of the motor modules.
Our team consists of students from mechanical engineering, mechatronics engineering, software engineering, computer science and business. And we've also incorporated another team from our university, our robot soccer team, and they compete in RoboCup.
Once we got over the jet lag, it's been awesome here. The food is definitely interesting, and the practice course and the practice runs have been fantastic. Today we were able to do our qualifying run and get the Task 1 and Task 5 complete, so it's been great.
Our team name is Momo, and it started from 1998, and it changed its characteristic to AUV Club in 2012. And our participants consist of undergraduate students and 2 graduate students from Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering.
We came like 2 days before the competition started and all the preparations, so we had a couple of days to experience Singapore, walking by. It's a really great city. We really like being here, and I think that our team has been working twice as hard as since we arrived here, because we really want to do our best here and to have all the results that we want. So we're working really hard, very happy here.
For the first time we went onto the water, our mount was way too heavy. So someone was walking on it, on the pontoon, and the pontoon flipped. Yeah, so he fell in, then we got some damage to our boat, and we had to replace the servo. It completely got ripped off.
All of our members are undergraduate students, so it is very difficult for us, but we'll do our best.
You'll be able to find out more about the teams to make it into the finals by asking them questions during our live webcast. Keep your browsers pointed to robotx.org.